Alright, good morning. National Engineering Challenge Grand Finale. I'm so excited. And before I start asking a question, what's your name and which college are you from?
Myself, Gunit Thingra. I'm from Delhi Technological University, Delhi.
And you?
Myself, Prilochan Goyal from MEM Engineering College, Jodhpur.
Fantastic. I want to ask you how excited you are from 150,000 participants to top 10. Wow, I'm so happy that you are here. How excited you are.
I'm really excited about this because this is, of course, National Engineering Challenge.
How was your journey from the beginning till here so far?
मेरे को एनईसी के इवेंट के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं था. मेरे रूम पार्टनर ने मेरे को बताया था फर्स्ट राउंड में. पर
Who's your room partner? You should thank him, huh? And because of him you're here. What's his name? I'm a little curious to know.
I want to thank Hemant Jangir.
Hemant, wherever you are, he wants to thank you. Say love you into him.
Yeah.
All the best, and I hope both of you win and go back home with a big smile and very proud. Thank you so much. Thank you. All the best. Rock it. Thank you.